This is a channel called Epic History that posts these faceless history shorts that get millions upon millions of views. But what if there was an AI software that could generate you the same type of videos all using AI? In just the first couple seconds of this video, you would have already generated yourself a YouTube history short ready to upload. Would you use that software? I'm gonna reveal the AI tool that does exactly this within this video, but let me show you another example with the AI Historian YouTube channel. They literally use AI to generate history shorts and get tens of millions of views on lots of these videos. Imagine you could get this AI tool right now, and I mean right now, and generate the same type of content literally right now. People will continue to say AI content is slop and doesn't get any views, but I just showed you guys a direct example of someone using AI to create shorts and getting tens of millions of views doing it. So that's a complete lie that AI doesn't get you views. AI content will get views regardless, and people will continue to use AI regardless. So you might as well use it yourself to reap the benefits of YouTube Shorts with 10 million views rather than just sit on the sidelines and hate while other people are getting views by simply just generating something within a couple of seconds. And not only will I show you guys how to generate the content in seconds with AI, but I'm also going to show you guys how you can increase the chances of your videos going viral by using AI, so you don't need to hire a YouTube expert to sit there and optimize your videos. I'm not kidding. There are literally YouTube experts where you pay them $100 an hour to optimize your videos, but now you have AI that can literally do it for you right now for literally just $1. Let's start with that software first, because this is how you're going to get ahead of the competition with viral optimization. As you can see, 2Magic has a library of AI tools like the video scripts tool right here, the article to script, the warp upload tool, keyword research, community posts, video research, news explorer, video ideas. But the first one we're going to use is Video Ideas tool right here. And by putting in a channel as a reference that's already winning, I mentioned AI Historian, so I could do AI Historian Official, and I'm going to hit on generate, and now it's going to make me unlimited, unique, viral-worthy video ideas based off this channel. So Napoleon's Great Escape right here. I'm going to generate again, and it's going to keep making me AI short ideas off this channel, exploring ancient civilization through AI. So it's just constantly making me video idea after video idea, and I can come up with an entire month of ideas by just hitting this generate again button over and over again, and then choosing my favorite ideas. The Great Wall of China, AI's adventure through 2,000 years of bricks and banter. Good video idea. From ancient Rome to Robo-Revolution. Another good video idea, all thanks to AI. And for every YouTube short you upload, you should be using the warp upload tool right here. You can put in the URL, but I like to put in the context right here. So I'm gonna say, this is a video about the dancing plague of 1518, I believe. Then I'm going to hit on generate right here, and now 2Magic is studying videos with millions and millions of views, and using their viral optimization, it is using AI to model them and make them for me. So now I have 3 viral title ideas right here, an amazing description with a bunch of good keywords for my metadata, and amazing tags. And I can just simply press on these paper clips right here to copy them, and you do this with literally every single short and get viral optimization. No one is sitting there for 20 to 30 minutes optimizing every short, but with this tool you have no excuse, because you can literally do it in seconds and get ahead of the competition by having this viral optimization. You guys can get 2Magic for an entire week for only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below. I know a bunch of YouTubers with millions of subscribers that use 2Magic for literally every video because it's essential for their optimization. Now for actual video generation, we're going to use vid.ai, the best video AI generator on the entire internet. Now I can already hear all the haters saying, you can't just make videos with AI. That's not how it works. Yes, it is. I'm literally going to show you guys exactly how to make YouTube Shorts with AI and get tons of views doing it too. So whether you don't use AI is your complete loss. But the smart people watching this video, the smart people who use AI, are going to benefit from watching me show them exactly how to do this. So right here on VidAI's main page, I'm going to press on new project and press on faceless short. Now right here I have a bunch of prompts, but I'm going to write my prompt, a video idea I got from 2Magic. So I'm going to say a video about the dancing plague of 1518. Now I have to select a narrator, and I really like Anthony's voice right here.
One today is worth two tomorrows.
Perfect. And now we can either select a gameplay video or an AI generated image. I think the AI generated images are better, so I'm gonna pick on cinematic, and then I'm gonna select music right here. And I really like the Happening song right here. I feel like it fits really well. And I really like the Blade Runner 2049 song right here. I think it works really well for history videos. Now right here is advanced options. I usually like to switch it to one word. I feel like one word looks a lot more clean. Then I'm gonna hit on generate, and that's literally all I needed to do. But before I show you guys this short, you guys can get VidAI with the link in the description below. And for all the early buyers right now, you get $30 off your subscription for life. So if you just buy right now with the link in the description below, you get $30 off for life. But if you use the code MAGIC30, you also get another 30% off your first month purchase. Right now, this is a special limited time only deal. We're gonna be closing it very, very soon. So it's literally a no-brainer to get access to the best YouTube video generator on the internet. And here's the finished result of our short.
In 1518, a strange phenomenon gripped Strasbourg, known as the Dancing Plague. It began with one woman who couldn't stop dancing.
That only took me a couple of seconds, and VidAI is adding new features every single week, so you can press on the link in the description below. But guess what? YouTube analyzes what you're watching, and they really think that you should watch this video next. So if YouTube's algorithm is telling you that you're gonna enjoy this video, you should probably watch it, because who knows the secrets in it that you might never know if you don't watch it right now.